Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ian Trader, and today we're going to talk about BONK. We're going to talk about price prediction, technical analysis, everything you need to know. We just had a little correction on the market, so it's a really important moment right now. But before we start, please remember this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion on the market. This is just my analysis of the chart, and you should always make your own decisions when you invest into the market. All right. Let's go. So BONK is currently trading around 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, which is really important level that we should probably bounce from. Another support is this moving average right here, the 200 moving the 50 moving average right over here. And what I want to talk to you about is how accurate was this support that I presented to you a few months ago from my previous analysis. I was telling you guys that this is going to be really important support, and during the worst times on the market, look guys, we almost got it, you know, almost there, almost touch it. So that was really accurate. And if you had your orders around this level here, congratulations, because you could have made around, let's see, 73% from the bottom to the top, and we broke those moving averages here. But like Bitcoin just crashed, and as you know, on the market, when Bitcoin crashes, altcoins tend to crash even more. So we came all the way back here, and we're finding the next support. And it's gonna be probably this 236 Fibonacci retracement level, this moving average, this price historical support, or this is the lowest point we can get right here. So you gotta be ready for all the scenarios. Like one scenario is that we're gonna grow from here like this, and other scenarios like we're gonna go down here, bounce, and go all the way like this. And another scenario is like we're gonna go down here and continue growing, or we're just gonna bounce off the support. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 actually scenarios that are possible to happen for BONK, and you just have to be ready for all of them. You have to have your USDT ready, you have to have your cash ready in case something like this happens, so you can DCA your purchase. So on the swing up, you can actually take your profits. You know, this is what we do on this channel. We invest long term, but we also swing trade. All right. So I think that's really clear. The support A is here at the Fibonacci retracement level. Support B is here, moving average. This is support C, support D. I don't think we can go all the way down to zero, like retest this and this low right here, because there were really tough times on the crypto market with Bitcoin dominance growing actually, and we held it perfectly here. So I don't think we can break those levels again, because BONK really did well in the really bad times. And I think this is the absolute lowest we can get on this chart midterm, you know. So keep that in mind. All right, so let's talk about resistances right now. Let's talk about profit take levels. And the first level that I told you about is this Fibonacci retracement level right here. Another one like 0.5 right here, and the third one is here 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And this is a really important level right here, because not only is Fibonacci retracement level, but also a historical support and resistance in the past. And if we continue growing from here, from any of those supports, I think this is gonna be difficult to break, and it's gonna be, for me, a really good moment to take some profits off the market. And I'm gonna show you in a minute what I mean by that, because if we go from, imagine investing in BONK like just a few days ago, and we're all the way up here. So going from here to this 618 Fibonacci retracement level resistance is only 30% of profit, but from now going all the way up to the same point. It's twice more profit. It's over 60% of profit, twice more. And it's the entry point is just like a few days after. So as I've been telling you guys, it's really, really important to get as low as possible. So entry point can give you actually twice bigger profit on the way up. But let's check out what would happen. What would have happened if we got into BONK at this support that I presented to you months before, and that would have been over around 113%, which is almost 4 times 30%. All right, 4 times more profit, which is incredible. And look how accurate that was, like this support. And I was like telling you guys before, and we nailed it perfectly. So I'm really happy about this. I'm really proud of myself. And if you had some limit orders like here around this area, and you got it, and huge congratulations for you. Even with the average purchase between those two supports, but between those two levels, if you had like your entry point was with average price of around here, going all the way up to 618 would be 100%, which is not bad, over 100%. All right, I hope that's clear for you. So this is like a midterm plan for all the BONK holders, and this one 0.5 level is really important. Look how many resistances here, like how difficult. 1, 2, 3 tries, and this is the 4th try, and we finally broke this level. And again here we bounced, we broke it once, but we bounced all the way down. So this is really important level right here. Okay, and the closures, when we actually zoom, I'm gonna show you that the candle closures are around this area. You see, I'm gonna mark it around this area. We have like wicks here, but the closures are around this area. That's why 0.5 over here is really important too. And that would be the first take profit level, and this is the second take profit level. All right. In terms of getting into the project, as I told you before, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, dollar cost average, and take profits on the way up. If you want to take profit early, then this level for sure will be good as a first, second, third. You know, this is like mid-term investing plan, swing trade plan for traders. If you want to hold BONK for longer, of course, those two levels are worth looking at. And if you're a believer and if you want to hold it super long term, those are the goals right here. 1.618 and number 2 Fibonacci retracement level. So you have those 6,500 and around 8,000. So those are the levels I would be looking at. But when it comes to altcoins, it's really important to take your profits into Bitcoin or Ethereum and just hold it there, you know, because this altcoin season is gonna continue for a while, but then we're gonna have a Bitcoin season, and you will eventually secure your profit. If you take your profits into Bitcoin and Bitcoin is gonna grow, then you can take your profits into cash and just like really enjoy huge growth, you know, without risking so much on the altcoins. Let's take a look at RSI. I've told you about this in my previous videos, that we're a little bit of oversold, and there was a risk of a correction on the market, and it actually happened. So now we're just in the middle, and I think everything from the middle down is a great opportunity to get into the market. And let's check some other indicators like fear and greed index, and wow, we're going towards the left. We're going towards the red, which is good for those who want to get into the market, who want to start, it's really good. And I told you about this many times before, that the fear and greed index is actually one of the best indicators for you to show you when to get into the market and when to get out. So when it's fear, extreme fear, it's a perfect timing for getting into the market. Greed and extreme greed are indicators to tell you that it's time to go out or to take profits and just sit down and wait. All right, so right now we're going towards the left. We're going towards fear. So it's good. It's good, especially for those who are not invested yet. I can see like a little accumulation zone here, a little uptrend. Let's just take, yeah, we have a little uptrend here. So we're just bouncing around the bands, upper band, lower band. We're probably gonna bounce from that and go up, but we'll see if we break this uptrend. We're gonna go lower, and then you're gonna be able to get more. All right, let's take a look at altcoin and Bitcoin season. Still around this level here, bouncing around 47 and 37, maybe 30 here. I still think that we're gonna go towards altcoin season now. There is always possibility. I think we formed like a double, like a W here, like a triple bottom kind of like, and then we're just gonna continue growing to altcoin. However, you should always be prepared, because this is crypto, and crypto is really, really unpredictable, and there's a possibility of another leg down here, maybe to 25, and that's gonna be good for accumulation of altcoins. Remember, during Bitcoin season, Bitcoin is dominant, Bitcoin is big on the market, altcoins are small. During altcoin season, altcoins are big, and you want to get altcoins where altcoins are small and Bitcoin is big. So don't be misled by this naming of Bitcoin season. You should buy Bitcoin. No, during Bitcoin season, you should look at altcoins, and during altcoin season, you should look at Bitcoin. The other way around. All right. I hope this is clear for you. So let's take a look at CoinGecko. Let's find BONK on this platform, and we're currently at number 60. We actually grew 16% in the last 30 days and 12% in 14 days. And 20, of course, in 24 hours we are down 15% because of the correction on the whole market. But if we take a look at the whole CoinGecko, let's take a look at number 60. Where is it? BONK 59. 1.4 billion dollars market cap right now. And if you're looking for BONK to double, to make like 100% profit, where would that put us? It would put us around 34, 32 on this, behind FET, above Matic right here. That would put us 4x. Let's try 4x. I think 4x would be like around 5, 6. Yeah, around DAI and Polkadot. So if you look at 400% growth, that would put us around DAI and Polkadot, like somewhere here. Maybe a little bit under Chainlink. So is it possible if the whole market's gonna double, triple, just gonna continue growing, and we're gonna see a big alt season? Yeah, that's possible. All right, but like you should always look at the chart, like use the magic of technical analysis and use the levels, because they work. You know, you see those bounces here that I presented to you. They bounced because there was a really important level, all right, and that was a perfect take profit levels. If you bought BONK around those lower levels and you constantly took profits on this resistance, then you would have made a lot of money, you know. So you have to use the technical analysis and really understand those entry points and resistances to get into the coin and take profits, and you're gonna be successful. Alright, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like this video, comment down below. If you don't know what to comment, just comment thank you. It's good for the algorithm and my the growth of my channel. I'm really excited to do this work for you. I'm gonna do more, much more. So if you wanna say thank you, say a word of appreciation, I would really appreciate that. Please subscribe to the channel. It's really important to me if you're subscribed. And if you don't understand many things that I've said in this video, just keep watching my channel. Like, keep watching the videos, and you will learn from every single video. So I really can guarantee you that. Thank you so much again. Please subscribe, and I'm gonna talk to you soon. I'm gonna cover BONK again within a couple of weeks, probably at least once a month. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I'm gonna talk to you very soon. All right, take care. Bye.